Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite. So let's dive in.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.
Hello, everyone, and welcome to Kryptonite, the crypto investor channel. I'm Boris, so let's dive in. Today, we're going to be looking at Gate.io, which is a trading platform. I've been using them for some times now, and they're really one of the better ones as far as fees. But also the big thing with them is they carry about 900 different cryptocurrencies. So the cool thing is you usually find most of the cryptocurrencies you're looking for on that one, especially if you're used to, let's say, a Coinbase or Voyager or even Binance. Binance, I think, has a few hundred coins, but Coinbase only has about 50 to 75 coins. Same thing for Voyager. Gate.io has over 900 coins, so it's much easier to find some of the coins that you're looking for, because sometimes you find a great project and that project might be ranked 100, 200, 300. I would never really go into anything past 200, but some people want to. So the cool thing is you usually going to be able to find them on Gate.io, which is really nice. The other thing that's great with Gate is the fees. The fees are actually fairly low. It's usually some of the lowest fees you can find on the different platforms, lower than Coinbase, lower than Binance, which is one of the reasons why they've been gaining momentum, and there are more and more people using Gate.io. Looking at the spot trading, you have standard and professional. They have, so I'm showing you today the actual website, but they of course have a web app, a mobile app, I'm sorry. And the mobile app is actually really good, really easy to trade on the go, has lots and lots of features. Now, I don't know who's copying who, but it's funny because if you look at the mobile app from Gate.io, it looks extremely similar to the Binance one and extremely similar to KuCoin. So those three, for some reason, when I use them, I mean, they have different color schemes. So it's easy to know if you're on Gate.io, on KuCoin, or on Binance. Binance is kind of yellow, Gate.io is kind of red, and KuCoin is kind of dark green. But it's really funny because otherwise the way you put in your orders and everything, it looks extremely similar. So here, whenever you're on the trading platform, you have obviously a lot of coins. As you can tell, you see the list is extremely exhaustive. Like I said, it's about 900 coins that they offer. So it's really huge. Of course, they have search features, so you can get right to it and go very quickly from one coin to another. So let's say that you are looking for a coin. Now, the way they rank this mainly is by sales, so the one that sells the most right now. But if, let's say, you are looking for a specific one, you start typing and they start showing you, what's available with the letters you are entering. So, if I start typing, different, and let's say I go to this one, nulls, and trading with USDT. So the one thing you gotta understand, whenever you see nulls and USDT, for instance, if you were to buy, you would buy nulls. If you were to sell, you would sell the nulls, and it's gonna trade against USDT. Now, Gate.io is not the best for what we call on-ramp, which is to bring money into the market. So meaning you have US dollars, or you have British pounds, or you have euros, and you have your bank account and you want to bring money to the market. So you want to bring, let's say, US dollars to the market to start purchasing. Gate.io is not a great on-ramp platform. I would say probably Coinbase is the better one. Make it very easy to attach your bank account to Coinbase and then transfer money from Coinbase, from your bank account to Coinbase. Now, the one thing I usually do is I will use Coinbase as the on-ramp. So I'll bring money onto, let's say, Coinbase. And then on Coinbase, I would buy, let's say, USDT. And then I would send those USDTs to Gate.io. And now I have USDT to trade different cryptos. And it costs just a little bit, to send USDT from Coinbase to Gate.io, but it's still a better way to handle everything, because at the end you're going to save a lot of money trading on Gate.io versus, let's say, a Coinbase, and you have a lot more choices. So there are lots of coins that I wouldn't be able to buy anyway on Coinbase because they're not available. So that's really the cool thing with Gate.io is very easy trading, very fast, very secured. It's one of the pretty much the only one that I know of that whenever you do a trade, it will ask actually for 4 pieces of information. So first, it will ask you for your trading password, which is different from your login password. So you have several passwords on Gate.io. So you have a trading password, then it's going to ask you for a text message. It's going to send a text message to your phone. So you register your phone with Gate.io and it text message you a 6-digit number. Then it's going to send you an email with a special code that's also 6 digits. And so you need to have access to your email to input that code as well. And last, it's going to use the 2FA, like a Google authenticator, and ask you for also that security. So it's very, very, very secure. And of course, you're limited in time. Now, they don't limit you to 10 or 20 seconds. The text message and the email, you usually have about you have about 2 minutes, I believe, to enter that information. And then 30 seconds for Google Authenticator, which is pretty normal. As you can tell, very easy platform to navigate. Like I said, very easily you can say, oh yeah, I'm buying or I'm selling, nulls. So it'll go from USDT to nulls. It would use your USDT to buy nulls, or if you were to sell, it would say, take your nulls and sell them to USDT. So very easy to do limit orders. You're seeing also on the side, which is very typical of Binance and as well as KuCoin, where on the side you see the prices, the people selling, the people buying. So, and right there you see 48.34, 48.65. There's a small spread. They show you also the number of coins that are for sale. You see here only 20 versus 10,000 buying, and then the volume. So it's pretty easy to read. Now the other thing is there's a more advanced version of the spot trading, which is the professional version. So for those that are a little bit more professional, and you're a little bit more into the graphics and you want to know, some more information, you want to say, oh yeah, show me the MACD, or show me the RSI. So you have a lot more graphics available. So for those who are more traders than others, and more used to some of the trading tools, the great thing with Gate.io, you're going to get the very professional version as well. I mean, all this comes with, it's all free of charge. I mean, the platform only makes its money based on your on your trading fees. So really a great tool for that. So that's probably, one of the best thing with Gate.io is the number of coins available. Like I said, over 900, and very easy, very great for trading or buying and selling, of course. Now, some of the other things that I would say are some plus, in this. Of course, you have margin trading. You have a few other options. On the finance side, I would say that the HODL and earn is definitely not Gate.io strong suit. It offers some weird coins or some coins that no one has really heard of, except maybe a few big ones like ETH. But even on ETH, you see they only give it to you for 7 days and it's 0.7%, which really is not that good. They give you others like Opal. I'm not even that familiar with that one. Opalus, Taxa, I mean, some coins that most people have never heard of, and they probably ranked really, really far down the line. So they offer a few others, but overall, I've never been really that impressed with what they offer. You see the same where they do 0.9% for 7 days, but that's per annum, so it's less than 1% per year, to do your BTC or whatever. So definitely, I don't use them for. There are much better rates out there, unless you see one of those rare coin that you have and that locally they actually do. So they don't offer a ton of them, and I would definitely say that if you want to earn passive income and you want to stake coins, Gate.io is not the place to do it. Most of the times I trade, meaning I buy on Gate.io and then I remove them and go stake them somewhere else. Now, another cool feature that they have is copy trading. Now, that one is actually pretty nice. I've used it a few times and it generates some income. I'm not a trader. Like I've mentioned, this channel is for really investors, people that want to invest, most likely medium to long term, because we believe here at Kryptonite that you should be playing long term. That's another thing, most people make money in the long run. They don't make money in the short term. And most of the time, investors tend to beat traders, if you, maybe not one specific trader or one specific investor, but if you take the majority of the traders, the majority of the investors always make more, because traders are trying to chase money, from one trade to another. An investor, they buy, they hold for quite some time, and then at some point, if they have a lot of profit, you have to take some profit. But they usually end up making more money than the traders who go up and down. Sometimes the traders miss something. So that's why I said it's always better to be an investor. But the copy trading, if you want to put a little bit of money, maybe like 1 or 2% of your portfolio, and say like, okay, I'm just gonna, not worry, but have someone do it for me. That's exactly what this is. They have different strategies, they show you the top gainers with pretty high percentages return for the year, and the one that are most copied, and everything. And so you can choose to say, okay, let's say I feel like this one could be good. Is mainly trading BTC USDT, and you're like, okay, that's what I want to do. So you can actually copy this, and what it will do is it will create some strategies. You put in some money, and automatically will trade for you. And the way, why would people let you copy, their trading strategy? Well, they get a reward. They get about 5% of your gains. So it's it's not bad, because obviously if they have a lot of people copying, trading them, it's definitely a good a good indication. They show you know how many times they trade and you know what's going on with them and their total investment, you know, etc., etc. And it's been copied 1413 times. And so after you copy a strategy, very easy, you let it run. It buys, it sells, it buys, it sells, you know, depending on what that trader is doing. So it's copying exactly the same thing, and you don't have much to do. They also have some bot trading. I'm not really into that, but that copy trading, that's not bad if you want to take a small thing on doing just a tiny bit of trading and not have to worry about doing it yourself. And then the last thing that's interesting here is they have the NFT box. So, you know, they show you, you know, different NFTs and different collections you can buy directly here on Gate.io, which is actually pretty nice because not all platforms do sell NFTs. So that's definitely another plus that they have. And one last thing is they offer, you know, some different things where you can actually do what's called, you know, an ICO, initial coin offering, and you can be participating to some different incoming and upcoming projects. So that's another great thing. And then that's it. You see your wallets. They show you, you know, how much you have on your wallets, what you're holding, you know, your spot accounts. So you can check, you know, on a daily basis, like all the different things you can buy and you know, you see your winnings, what's losing, or etc. So overall, it's a great application. The website is great. I mainly use the mobile app, and it is really good. So I would recommend you have a look at Gate.io, especially if you want to buy, you know, lots of different coins that might not be listed on a Coinbase or other exchanges. I hope this video helps. I'll look forward to see you on the next video of Kryptonite. I hope this video helps. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.
If you haven't already, please subscribe to our channel, and if you like the video at the end, click on the thumbs up.